Want to set up a clean, functional navigation menu for your Shopify store? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do just that in just a couple of minutes. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. If you don't have a store yet, I've dropped a link below for a free trial you can use. Now, here you'll see two options, the main menu and the footer menu. For now, we're going to focus on the main navigation bar, the one that shows up at the top of your store. Go ahead and click on Main Menu. Now, if you want to create a drop-down menu, it's super simple. Just drag a menu item underneath the one you want it to drop down from, and then drag it slightly to the right. Once that's done, hit Save again.
And that's it. You can follow the same steps to customize the footer menu if needed. If this helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe.